Hi guys, I am Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Priyanka's vlog. Everyone wants a clear and glowing skin, and I think there is nothing wrong in that. And you might have seen some videos regarding this, and yet you still confused whether that it gives you good results or not, it is effective or not. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my method which I used every time to get glowing and clear skin. As you can see, my skin is already clear, but let me tell you one thing, it is not always like that, you know. But after I started using this method, it really gives me good results, as you can see. So trust me guys, it is a very effective method. And yes, it is for both boys and girls. I mean, who doesn't want a clear skin? Whether it's a boy or a girl, I think that doesn't matter. And yes, please watch my video till the end to see the results. And then if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So let's get started.
Step 1. Clean your face with warm water. Take a cotton ball and dip it into a mug of warm water and apply it in your face. It helps to keep your pores open, and when your pores will open, the dirt particles will come out. So make sure to do it properly as I am doing. Step 2. Massage your face. Here I am using Just Herb massage cream. If you don't have any massage cream, then you can use any cold cream. Then apply it on your face as I am doing. And now start massaging your face. Facial massage helps promote healthy skin while relaxing your facial muscles. Massage your face also promotes oxygen and blood flow in our skin. It also creates a brighter skin tone and appearance. It also prevents the formation of wrinkles. So massage your face for at least 2 to 3 minutes to get effective results. Here I am wetting my hands again and again, as you can see, so that my cream doesn't dry out. Now take a cotton ball, dip it into warm water and clear your skin gently. Have you seen the difference? It really makes my skin so soft. Now step 3. Scrubbing. Here I am using this Everyuth Natural Scrub. I just love this scrub. So just like cleansing and massaging, scrubbing also occupies a significant place in our beauty regimen. So apply this scrub on your face. And then start scrubbing. Did you know scrubbing gives you clean skin free from dirt, oil and sweat? It also removes all the blackhead and dead cells. Dead cells make your skin look dull and tired. So why let them build up on the layer of your skin? Scrub them off. If you don't have any scrubber, then you can make your own. You just have to soak rice in milk for 2 hours, then Grind it into a paste and scrub your face to get glowing skin in no time. Scrub your face properly. Make sure you focused on those areas which you have to lighten. Like the upper part of your nose and the corner of your forehead. Just scrub it well so that all the dirt particles and dead cells comes out from your face. Now clean your face with the help of cotton. Clean it properly. Step 4. Take 1 spoon of gram flour, then 1/3 of turmeric powder in a small bowl, and take 2 spoons of milk. And then mix it well. So this is the paste of turmeric powder, gram flour and milk. Don't make your paste too thin. Then start applying it on your face. Mixture of gram flour and turmeric really useful as tan removal agent when applied to skin. Gram flour is excellent to help fight pimples. It also helps to reduce acne scars, where on the other hand, turmeric helps heal and prevent dry skin. Using milk can help you have a soft, smooth and wrinkle-free skin. Milk can be used as a natural moisturizer for skin. So apply this paste 2 to 3 times in a week to get effective results. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it dry out. Then wash your face with warm water. Can you see the difference, guys? How good my skin looking now. All the dirt particles have been removed. So this is the last step, step 5. Apply coconut oil. Did you guys know what are the advantages of applying coconut oil on your face? I guess not. So let me tell you. Applying the coconut oil, keeping skin supple and hydrated. It helps bolster your skin's protective barrier layer and trapping moisture inside. So don't forget to massage your face with coconut oil. So now guys, as you can all see, my skin is glowing now, like really glowing. And it feels so soft, like I'm now touching my skin, like it really feels so soft. So yeah, that's all guys. I hope you like my video. You can also tell me in comment section that it is worked for you guys or not. So thanks for watching.